Introducing Audius for Canva. How to add voiceovers to your Canva designs. First, open Canva and choose the design you want to enhance with audio. Next, head over to the Apps section on the left sidebar and find our text-to-speech app. Search AI text-to-speech and click on the blue icon with the Audius logo. Next, click on the Open button to install the Audius Canva app. Then, click the Login button and hit Connect to finish installing the Canva app. You'll see a text box where you can type in the text you want to convert to speech. Go ahead and type or paste your text. Now choose the voice and language you want to use. Audius for Canva supports 50+ languages, so you can create voiceovers in multiple languages. Once you're happy with your text and voice selection, click Generate Speech. Your text will be transformed into a voiceover right away for your Canva design. Once it's generated, you'll see a new audio track right in your design. You can also view your generated audio in the Uploads tab under the Audio section. You can preview and download the generated audio from there as well. And that's it. Get Audius for Canva today to start adding voiceovers to your Canva designs.